How to restore deleted contacts from Google Contacts. This tutorial shows you how to bring back contacts you've accidentally removed within the last 30 days. First, open the Contacts app on your Android. After that, tap on Organize in the bottom right corner. Let me show you. From there, tap on Bin from the list of options. At this point, a list of your recently deleted contacts will appear on your screen. In the next step, tap on the contact you want to restore. Following this, tap on Restore or the Restore icon for that contact. Once done, go back to your main contacts list to verify the contact now appears again. From here, repeat these same steps for any other contact you want to bring back. Keep in mind, contacts only stay in the bin for 30 days. After that, they're permanently deleted and can't be restored. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to check for and restore other deleted contacts. And that's it. If this guide helped you restore deleted contacts from Google Contacts, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.